is an unparalleled helicopter introduced in the Soviet Union in 1983. It is a true flying giant, an extremely efficient machine, and the highest transport helicopter in the world. We've all seen how a Mi-26 can transport a CH-47 Chinook, but not the other way around. The Russian technology in this case, at least, is far superior to the American one, and that is a fact. This winged monster is 40 meters long, which surpasses the Boeing 737 plane. Its rotor span is 32 meters, and its height is similar to that of a 3-story building. It has the capacity to incline at a 45-degree angle at takeoff, which allows it to take off vertically like a hunter plane, as shown in the video. Its maximum weight for takeoff is 56 tons, its cargo capacity 20 tons. With a max speed of 300 km per hour, and is able to fly at 6,500 meters. Initially, it was meant as a transport helicopter, but in recent years, with its peaceful variant Mi-26T, it has become invaluable for different occasions and constructions in hard-to-access areas.
Она заморская.